Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the chat background on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Chat Settings. Tap on Change Chat Background. You have two options. You can either select a photo from your gallery or select one of the color options below. Now let's try the first option. Tap on Select from Gallery. Select a photo from your gallery. If you want, you can try blurred or motion effects. When you're happy with the settings, tap on Set Background. Now go back to the home screen and open a chat to see how it looks. Now let's try the second option. Tap on Set a Color. Scroll down and select one of the color options. Tap on Set Background to apply it. You can also scroll down and select one of the wallpapers as your chat background. Now go back to the home screen and open a chat to see how it looks. This is how you can add a chat background on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.